Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video on my mobile GMRS two-way radio repeater trailer. I'm going to temporarily build a repeater in back of my trailer so that I can just unhook it and then take the truck and then drive around, do a range test, come back, hook up and go. So that's the plan. Now here is the rack. This is going to be the rack that's going to hold all the electronics, the battery, the repeater, the laptop, all that. Matter of fact, the battery is going to sit right in here. Laptop and handheld will sit here. And then I gotta have a inverter for the laptop. Even though it does have a good battery, I don't want it going dead. That's going to go there. The repeater itself can either go in this spot here or this spot next to the battery. There will be a space from here to the bottom of the bed of the trailer for airflow. I'll use plywood for the shelving, but this is an adjustable rack that I'm going to build here. We got the stands. I just kind of got it all mocked up right now before I do any welding on the legs and whatnot. But what I'll have is I got a metal galvanized box that will slide over this. It'll come down to about there, and that will that's what I'm going to use as a cover. I'll leave the bottom open so the coax cable can come up. That way I don't have to drill any holes in the box to run the coax cable. This will be bolted right to the trailer. And then behind this, in the trailer, I will bolt separately a mast holder to hold the antenna mast. But that's it. That's how it's going to be. And then I'll put a trailer lock on the trailer, and the way we go. Now, the reason why you're probably wondering why you're making it so big. Well, a couple reasons. One, the box that I have already made that was used for something else is one reason. I have that whole big box to use up, the galvanized metal box. 2, I got a laptop I got to put in there. 3, I want a lot of space in between for airflow. If anything, I can always put a fan up on the top here and have it blow down because the bottom will be open. I'll have to weld on some holders. When the box slides on, it will go to here, and then there'll be a padlock so no one can easily get to the box to steal it or tamper with it. The box being metal and it's galvanized, it'll never rust. It shouldn't interfere with the repeater. Matter of fact, it should help shield it from other interference, technically speaking. But that's how we're going to do this. And like I said, I'll put plywood in here for the shelves, but these shelves are going to be removable. See, you can see you can adjust the shelf height. So we're getting kind of fancy, but this is the metal I have laying around, and this is what I'm going to use. I'll clamp it all up, then I'll weld the legs on. Like I say, this will be bolted right to the trailer, and then all the electronics in there. I even did make since I can't hook directly to the repeater, I have to use like a handheld like you saw in my videos. Well, I made a little holder here that's going to hold my handheld upright. So when I put this on the shelf, the computer will sit here. This is how it's going to sit. Computer will sit here. My cables will go there. The repeater itself with with an amplifier, with non-amplifier, whatever, will sit over here. The battery will sit on this side, 12-volt battery. And like I said, the inverter will be up here. And I still got space to do whatever I want. So that's kind of the plan. So I hope this should work very well. And I'm not going to do a video of me cutting and welding and measuring. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you the process as I go. So here we are, part 1. And now when I get more done, I will post another video. Thank you. Please subscribe and have a good day.